Hey guys, Aaron here from Marvel's Paws. Yep, I'm at my grandparents' house, so yeah. Just relax, just got done eating, so yeah. So yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah, today's the usual stuff, no Epic Gaming today, but tomorrow I will be able to be a Epic Gamer tomorrow, so yeah. So yeah. That's it guys, I'll see you guys later, bye.